everyone. Today we are going to discuss about multiplication of a fraction. But we are going to start with the concept of multiplication using integer. Let's say we have 4 baskets of apples. Mathematically, we can write it as 4 times 3. So, how many apples do we actually have here? We have like 3 apples plus 3 apples plus 3 apples plus 3 apples, that is equal to 12 apples. Now, from this understanding, we are going to dive into the multiplication of fraction. Okay, let's consider this problem 1/4 of 1/2. 1/4 times 1/2. I'll try to explain it visually. Well, I hope you can visualize it in your mind as a bar of pistachio chocolate. So the story goes like this. If we divide a bar of chocolate into 2 equal parts, we have like 1/2 on the left side and 1/2 on the right side. And this 1/2 on the left side, we can say it as 1 of 1/2. And on the right side, we can also say it as 1 of 1/2. Now, we have 2 of 1/2, which mathematically we can say it as 2 times 1/2. The problem is we do not need 2 of 1/2. We only need 1/4 of 1/2, a small portion of 1/2. So how do we solve it? Let me redraw the chocolate first and make it bigger so that it becomes clearer. Now, if we want to get 1/4 of 1/2, we will need to divide 1/2 into 4 equal parts like this. Here it is, the small portion of chocolate we want, 1/4 of 1/2. Still, we need a number to represent 1/4 of 1/2. What number? Which number? Now we expand the line like this and we get 8 equal parts from 1 bar of chocolate, which each part is 1/8. My dear viewers, I present you 1/4 times 1/2 equal to 1/8. So that's all for today's lesson. See you next time. Much love. Mwah.